This article refers to a phenomenon that's been recently discovered, or shall I say, the powerful nature of this discovery is becoming more evident as we delve deeper into the interface between different organisms and how they seem to mutually help each other. So fungi and tree roots supply different things to each other, that nutrients and chemicals and proteins that are actually going to be helpful to both parties, but they are in fact separate organisms. And this interface between two separate organisms, where they are mutually helping one another, is almost impossible to conceive of under an evolutionary process. It's sometimes called co-evolution, but wherever you see that concept of co-evolution, you're often really looking at something that's called an interface. And by far the most logical explanation for these detailed interfaces between two separate organisms would be common design, that the designer created both organisms with the capacity to carry out these very sophisticated and highly engineered interfaces. To be honest, the processes involved require a designer anyway. The interfaces just make the whole problem a whole lot more obvious, that you need a designer to carry out these complex things. Just give an example. Think about when the shuttle and the spacecraft that supplies the shuttles have to have an interface between the two of them. The amount of engineering that goes into that is phenomenal to get an object to kind of an external object coming to a parent object. And so we know that interfaces require engineering of the highest order. And this is certainly true of two organisms such as fungi and tree roots. They require these types of interfaces. So once more we see that as we delve deeper into biology, there is ever more evidence of the sheer breathtaking complexity of it. And this is the reason why 1,200 plus scientists signed a declaration saying that they were skeptical that the complexity of biology could be explained by evolution, what they actually referred to as natural selection and random mutations. And that's how they described evolution. And it's true, what we are seeing in biology is breathtaking complexity. Sadly, the scientific community doesn't seem to have picked up on this growing skepticism towards evolution by fellow scientists. I believe that when this finally becomes acceptable to doubt Darwin's theory of evolution, the shift away from evolution to intelligent design will be rapid, because all the evidence is there. What needs to change is a mindset, it's a worldview, it's a perspective. Once you change those things, then the evidence will line up brilliantly for intelligent design. Well, thank you for listening.